dear students, I'm Madam Joyce Nyoni from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, and today I'll be with you to discuss our topic, which is the comparative of natural groups of organisms. And here, my students, we are starting a new subtopic, which is kingdom Animalia. This is this is a very interesting subtopic, which is the kingdom Animalia. So when we are talking about the kingdom Animalia, is well advanced the kingdom compared to the rest of the kingdom ambazo tumeshaziona. Tumeona kingdom Fungi, tumeona kingdom Plantae, tumeona kingdom Protoctis. All of those kingdoms, they are not well adapted or well suited into several kind of environment. But these organisms which are found in the kingdom Animalia, firstly they are diverse, and also they are well advanced the kingdom compared to the rest of the kingdom. So my students, before we have take a look on the explanation on this kingdom Animalia, now we have to see this picture. This picture show the funeral diversity of vertebrate and invertebrate. Kwa hawa ni organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia. So hapa tutaenda kuongelea one after another. Tutaanza kuongelea Platyhelminthes, tukitoka hapo tutakuja meaning that we are starting looking vertebrate up to invertebrate. So here we have these mammals, we have birds, we have the human, we have these amphibians, fishes, reptiles and so on. So tutaenda kuongelea hawa wanyama wote mmoja baada ya mwingine. So tutachambua kitu kimoja baada ya kitu kingine in this kingdom Animalia. So let's move together to see what is this kingdom Animalia. What kind of organism are found in this kingdom Animalia is where now we are going to see. So let's see now. We are saying that in the kingdom Animalia, animals are a diverse group of organisms that make up the kingdom Animalia. Wanyama wote ambao wanapatikana in the environment wanapatikana ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia. So tunasema kwamba this kingdom comprise of animals which are multicellular eukaryotic organism. Tukisema multicellular organism, meaning that they contain many cells. So organisms which are found in this kingdom Animalia, they comprise of multiple cells within their body, and that is multicellular eukaryotic organism. And also, my students, we are saying that most of them have high level of tissue differentiation and specialized body. Kwa hiyo sasa they have high level of tissue differentiation, kwa maana kwamba this organism, ndio maana tunasema kwamba they are well adapted to live in different kinds of environment. Kutokana tu na their body, they have high level of tissue differentiation and specialized body organs. So they have different kinds of organs that perform different kinds of function compared to the rest of the kingdom. So here we are going to look one after another. So also we are saying that they undergo heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that is, they depend on the other organism directly or indirectly to obtain organic food. Kwa organism wote wanaopatikana ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia, they are heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So they use heterotrophic mode of nutrition so that they can get in food. And when we are saying that heterotrophic mode of nutrition here, my students, we are saying that organisms that depend on other organisms so that they can get in food. So those organisms belong into kingdom Animalia. So organisms which are found in this kingdom Animalia, they lack that ability of making their own food. They cannot. So what kind of nutrition mode do they use? They use this heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So also we are saying that they digest food internally, particularly in the gut, and store carbohydrate in the form of glycogen. Not this thing. Kwa maana kwamba hawa organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia, tunasema kwamba they digest food internally. Tunasema kwamba wana tendency ya kumeng'enya chakula chao ndani ya miili yao. Kwa hiyo inakuwa ni distinctive feature ambayo inapatikana ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia. Ukicompare na the rest of the kingdom, for example kwenye kingdom Fungi, tunasema wao they have a tendency of digesting food they use extracellular digestion. But this organism, mainly kingdom Animalia, they use internal digestion. So we're going later on, while we are proceeding looking this kingdom Animalia, tutaenda kuiona hii intercellular digestion inatokea vipi. And also they store their food in form of glycogen. And that make this organism distinct. Kwa wanakuwa na sifa tofauti ukikompare na the rest of the kingdom. So also we are saying that animals are mobile. They can move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, mates, and safety. So mobility in animals include movement of organs. Kwa hawa organism tunasema ni mobile. Mobile meaning that they can move from one place to another for searching of food, mates, also habitat and safety. Kwa wana move kutoka sehemu moja kwenda sehemu nyingine. So hiyo inakuwa ni tofauti sana na the rest of the kingdom that we have already covered or we have already seen. For example now, we are saying that we have these coras, sedimental animals, but their organ move to trap food. So in most animals, body activities and responses are coordinated by nerves and the endocrine system. So now you can see this organism, they have a specialized system, help them to coordinate their body for doing different kinds of activities within the environment. So they use they have a nervous system na endocrine system, ndizo ambazo zinawasaidia coordinate different kinds of activities within the environment. So organism anaweza akakimbia, let's say, kutoka sehemu moja kwenda sehemu nyingine. Why? Is due to the presence of this nervous and endocrine system that help this organism to move from one place to another. So also, my students, we are saying that higher animals reproduce sexually involving haploid gametes. So ukienda further, tutaenda kusoma pia reproduction zao moja baada ya nyingine. How do they reproduce? Tunasema kwamba these organisms, they reproduce by using haploid gametes. Here we are talking about the sperms and the eggs. So they use the gametes for the process of sexual reproduction. So most animals are triploblastic organisms, meaning that they have 3 body layers. Outer layer ambayo inaitwa ectoderm, middle layer ambayo inaitwa mesoderm, and the endoderm as in the inner layer. My student, underline the word triploblastic organism. Organism wote wanaopatikana ndani ya kingdom Animalia, they are triploblastic in nature. Why are we calling this organism triploblastic? Because they have 3 layers within their bodies. And the first layer, it is called the ectoderm, ambayo inapatikana nje kabisa nje ya miili yao, na ya pili inaitwa middle, ambayo inaitwa mesoderm, na ya tatu tunaita endoderm, ndio ambayo inapatikana ndani kabisa ya the body of the kingdom Animalia. So for example here we have tunasema kwamba for example of such animal include all multicellular animals with the exception of a certain invertebrates such as cnidarians and sponges. Kwa ukitoa hawa organism cnidarians pamoja na sponges, ndiyo ambao they lack a triploblastic in nature, but the rest of the organism wanakuwa na hiyo triploblastic in nature, meaning that their body contain 3 layers: the endoderm, ectoderm, and the mesoderm. Also my student, we are saying that some are diploblastic. Wengine wanakuwa na ile tunasema kwamba their body contain 2 layers. Kwa ina consist of 2 layers, and these layers are ectoderm and the endoderm. A good example here we have this cnidarian, ambao hapa tukiongea cnidarians we mean that jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones. So hao organism ndio ambao they contain tunaita diproblastic or diproblastic in nature. Di means two. So they have two layers, endo and ecto. And a good example here we have this cnidarians. So also we are saying that their body symmetry is bilateral except phylum Cnidaria that have radial symmetry and phylum Porifera. Example sponges, whose body regularly lack symmetry. Kwa ina maana ukiwatoa hawa organism wawili ambaye ni sponge na Cnidarians, the rest of the organism which are found in this kingdom Animalia, they possess a bilateral symmetry. So those are the organisms which are found within this kingdom Animalia.